So pretty much in the meantime, I'm gonna have to wait. While waiting for nightfall, I'm gonna have to enjoy this moment as it goes. So sorry about my hair, it's a little bit greasy. Okay guys, so today is quite a sunny Saturday morning, but let me help you set up the scene here. So, my parents and I are gonna go to another beach resort again. This time, it's going to be another one called Palm Beach Resort in Punta Engaño rather than the one in Marigondon. And unlike Crimson Beach Resort, it's going to be in much darker skies, specifically in a Bortle class 4 location. So it's going to be darker skies than last time. Although the weather forecast yet again doesn't really look that good, and I'm not having my hopes high up this time. And yes, we are still going to spend another overnight stay there. So if the sky is clear, hopefully I'll be able to capture the Milky Way galaxy, because it is something that I've been yearning for quite a while. After the Milky Way core season ended last time. And I'm not the type of person who would wake up early in the morning just to photograph the Milky Way core, because I don't want to disrupt my sleep patterns, to balance my astrophotography and my sleep schedule. So I'm still gonna bring my usual gear, which is my DSLR and my tripod. And sorry for the loss of video quality, because I'm currently using my old phone right now to vlog, because my new phone has that annoying thing where if I don't talk or if there's not much sound anywhere, then the audio just suddenly dips, and when I speak again, the audio just suddenly goes up and then dips again when I stop speaking. But of course, I will still be using my new phone to vlog there, especially at night. So hopefully it's not going to rain when we go there, and hopefully it will not be overcast. Just partly cloudy skies will still do. But if the skies do become overcast and I cannot capture the Milky Way galaxy, then I will not be posting this vlog. But if for some reason I manage to post this vlog, then that means that I managed to capture something in the night sky. So I already ate breakfast, and I'm gonna go upstairs again and then pack up my things and prepare to go to the beach resort together with my parents again. Okay, so I am in Super Metro right now, and I'm waiting for my mother to come back after buying some junk foods for us to go to before we go to the beach resort. And it's already 1 p.m. and the sky itself seems to be very clear, and hopefully during nightfall it's not going to be overcast. Although partly cloudy skies will still do. God, look at this view. We are in the 3rd floor of this building, and look at the sky here. That is south, and I can only imagine what this thing will look like at night. There's so many photographic opportunities here in terms of, well, astrophotography. And look at that too, so much green. And just look at the ocean, it's awesome. Makes me want to go back to it again. That is Olango Island in the distance, by the way. So this is pretty much our room. And that is where we will be staying. It's really very cold in here too. So pretty much in the meantime, I'm gonna have to while waiting for nightfall, I'm gonna have to enjoy this moment as it goes. So sorry about my hair, it's a little bit greasy. Sorry guys, so earlier was actually one of the worst times to start photographing the Milky Way galaxy because some people are throwing a party right behind me and there's so many lights, and it just so happens that the night sky itself just cleared out, but I couldn't even photograph the Milky Way galaxy because of the tremendous amount of lights in behind me. So I had to wait for them to stop partying and turn off the lights. But right now I'm trying my best to photograph the Milky Way. And I also already photographed some things other than the Milky Way galaxy, like Sirius right there and other compositions, but I only managed to do 2 of them. And I will show them at the end of the video. That's if they end up being good.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so everything itself was already quieted down, and the sky is already clouding over a lot. It's already become overcast, as you can see here. There are clouds just literally everywhere, and I can no longer see any stars in the sky whatsoever. So I might have to call this thing a night now. If only I came here at a much better time. So yeah, pretty much I called it a night afterwards since the night sky didn't clear out anymore, but that was not before I managed to capture a third composition involving Ursa Major, although this would have been better if the clouds didn't get in the way. I attempted to be as creative as possible in finding ways to capture the night sky without having the spotlights getting in the way too much. All in all, I managed to capture 4 night compositions if you count the one with the Milky Way, and they are all panoramas. This one was captured while I was on the top swimming pool of the resort, and I had to use a very short shutter speed for the night sky so that the spotlights don't get in the way. But still, it could have been better if things were better. And this one with the Canis Major constellation was captured while I was in my aunt's room overlooking some hotels, including the Movin Peak Hotel. Despite the intense nearby light pollution, this was the best view I could get. As for the Milky Way composition, I couldn't really bring out the carbonaceous gas and dust of the crux region of the galaxy. This one was the most heavily affected by the spotlights and the worst one for me. Still, however, this was the best that I could do. But this composition was doomed from the very start. Despite the setbacks, it was good to be able to see the Crux constellation again after a very long time, since from where I'm from, it is completely hidden from sight. Aside from the night compositions, I also created this panorama of the view before I went to bed, so that I will remember what it looked like in the balcony. I also attempted to photograph the galactic core of the Milky Way galaxy after suddenly waking up at around 3 AM, but it was very cloudy and it rained earlier because everything was wet, so I went back to sleep afterwards. So far, I think the Ursa Major composition is the best one that I captured this night. Aside from the night images, I also took some daytime images since it would have been a waste if I didn't take daytime images as well, and they are featured on my Instagram if you want to see them. Overall, Palm Beach Resort is a good place to stay in if you are looking for a cheaper vacation spot in Lapu-Lapu City. So that's pretty much it, guys, and this is now the end of the vlog, and we're now about to take our breakfast, and if you're going out to enjoy the night sky anytime soon, I wish you good luck and good